Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another PR haul. I'm always so excited to show you guys the stuff that I have got. So I'm gonna do a quick July PR haul, that everything that I received in the month of July. So welcome back to my channel. First we have is CeraVe. So you all know that I attended CeraVe's event on the start of July and I received quite a lot of products. So let me just show you one by one what it was. I guess I've already showed you guys. So I got a cutesy water bottle. Then I got a couple of skincare products. So it was their blemish control cleanser. Then we have resurfacing retinol serum, and then we have their acne control anti-imperfection something. It has AH and BHAs, which is good for your pores and your pimples. So these many free stuff I got from CeraVe. I got this notebook. Like it's mostly like a journal, if you can see, right? Morning routine, evening routine, and then full sticker thingy. I did receive quite a lot of product from Naturally, so I'm gonna show you one by one. So first was this their clarifying foaming face wash, and they have given me a men face wash. I have no idea why, but yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna give it to my brother for sure. Then we have two shampoos. One is their Naturally Daily Strength and Nourish shampoo, and the second we have anti hair fall shampoo. I'm so excited to try this one because बहुत ज़्यादा बाल झड़ रहे हैं. Then we have this Naturally ka anti hair fall hair mask. It has rosemary, biotin and ginseng. So let's see how this works out for me. And the last thing that I got from Naturally is this one. This is their acne control sunscreen with superfood hemp and tea tree. It says it is SPF 60 PA++. So let's see how this works. Anyway, I'm going to a beach vacation, so it's good to have a lot of sunscreen. I have few couple of skincare products. Again, like वो भी skincare ही थे, but yeah, I have got it from Plum, and I'm not gonna lie, Plum is one of my go-to skincare brand. Like अगर मेरे पास 5 कोई पूछे तो one of them is definitely Plum. So one thing that I have got from them is Plum rice water and niacinamide simply bright face wash, and the second one is rice water and niacinamide 10% serum, which is very good for your blemishes. It helps you in brighten in the first use, and it helps fade blemishes. So super excited to try this. Next we have is this serum from Himalaya. It's called dark spot clearing turmeric face serum. Trust me, मतलब मुझे बहुत टाइम तक नहीं पता था कि actually Himalaya makes serum also, but yeah, they do, and the bottle is so good. I mean, मैं ये रखूंगी, मैं अपने दोस्तों को दूंगी. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बहुत cute और aesthetic bottle लगा है. So yeah, I got this serum from Himalaya. Next thing that I have got is definitely from one of the brands that I always dream of becoming a face of. That is from L'Oreal. So I got this hair serum from L'Oreal Paris Professional. It's called Ceroxyl Advance. It's a hair growth serum. It provides 1000+ hair in 6 weeks. It stimulates dormant hair root and thicken hair fiber. I mean, it's suggested by experts, so let's see how this also goes. I'm definitely trying this. मेरे पास already भी 2 hair serum है जो मैं use कर रही हूँ. उसके बाद हम इसको यूज करेंगे. Next we have a box full of products from Smitten. Actually जुलाई में Smitten ने मुझे 2 बार पार्सल भेजे थे, and I was flabbergasted. I was like, what? ऐसे कैसे? But then I'm so excited to show you guys. So actually same products थे जो 2 बार deliver हुए. I have no idea why. So the first thing that I got is this 2 full size body washes from Nivea. I mean, I cannot even tell you guys, I was so happy because मेरा body wash खत्म हो रहा था, and it retails for 500 rupees, or 2 bottles for 1000 rupees. Got it for free. So yeah, I got these 2 body washes. Definitely I'm gonna give it to my brother because my brother they uses body washes a lot. मैं साबुन की टिकिया वाली आदमी हूँ. Next thing that we have from Smitten is these 4 mini lipsticks from Rene Cosmetics. I mean, मैंने Rene Cosmetics का यूज नहीं किया है, So I'm looking forward to trying one of the shades from this. We have these two mini face washes from Dot and Key. I mean, how cute are they? Like so travel friendly. I mean, one of the reason I love Smitten is आप इतने छोटे छोटे product ले सकते हो and it's very travel friendly. We have these two what are called retinol under eye cream with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. एक मैंने actually इसका covering खोला हुआ है, दो मैंने use नहीं किया है, but I'm kind of looking forward to using it. You can see, right? Oh, it smells really good, guys. I mean, एक तो पक्का try करूंगी मैं and we'll see how it goes. Last thing that I have got from Smitten is these two trial packs of Plum Body Mist. It's in Hawaiian Rumba. Again, so travel friendly. Now we are moving back to my favorite segment of showing you guys what are the makeup products that I got for free, and isn't this my favorite stuff to do? Two makeup brands that send me free stuff this month. So one is from Glam 21. So I actually got their face palette. Again, this is so nice, and सबसे best part है इस makeup palette का कि these has 4 eyeshadows, bronzer, a highlighter and a blush, and कहीं भी डाल लो और लेके चल जाओ. And the packaging is also so cute. Second product that I got from Glam 21 Cosmetics is this Glam 21 Forever Matte HD Finish Face Powder. So basically this is a compact, and पता नहीं क्यों ये इतना aesthetically pleasing है ना कि तुम क्या ही use करोगे भाई इसको. Can you see it? मेरी बहन नहीं है वरना मैं उसको गिफ्ट कर दी, बट yeah, I'm gonna give it to my cousins and all my friends for sure. जो पहले मिल जाए या जिसको पहले ये मिल जाए, I have no idea. We have from Hilary Rhoda, and I think I have lost the count. ये मेरा कैवा collaboration है इनके साथ. मैं I think ये चौथी या पांचवी वाले के इनके साथ मैं collaborate कर रही हूँ. The first thing that they have sent me is these two lip glosses in shade 01 and 04, and they are actually pigmented. I mean, if you are a lip gloss lover, you should definitely try this. It's really good. Thing that we have from Hilary Rhoda is their eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna show you guys. Can you see this palette? It's so damn good. मतलब मुझे ये ऐसे ऐसे करके pigment भी swatch करने का मन नहीं किया था because it looks really really good. Next thing that I've got from Hilary Rhoda is this eyebrow drawing palette. So basically it's a eyebrow kit. Actually मेरा eyebrow brush खत्म हो गया था, तो उन्होंने पता नहीं मुझे उनको कैसे पता चला, उन्होंने मुझे ये भेज दिया. Actually मैंने एक बार यूज किया है and it works. I'm not gonna lie, it actually works. Last but not the least product that I have received in July's PAR is this. This is their eyeliner pen. Yeah, I Spy pen eyeliner. ये I guess मेरे पास दूसरा या तीसरा, मैंने एक ऑलरेडी गिफ्ट कर दिया अपने दोस्त को, एक मेरे पास है, and I have got one more of this. But yeah, it's good. I mean, ये pigmented है, you can really draw it. मतलब मैं अब आजकल उतना eyeliner लगाती नहीं हूँ, but yeah, thank you Hilary Rhoda for this. That's it for this PR haul video. And सबसे पहली चीज कि ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग मुझे सिर्फ ऐसे फ्री में ऐसे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट भेज देते हैं. नो, they send me product and I have to create content around it, and I post those content, and I'm trying to make this a source of income. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, thanks to all the brand who are watching and who sends me free stuff. I really appreciate you guys and I'm grateful. So yeah, thank you so much. See you soon in another. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, love people around you, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर देना, and you can drop a heart in the comment. I'll really appreciate it. Bye bye.